Massive showdown happening between the farmers and the security forces at the Shambhu border close to the national capital. An attempt by the farmers to get to the national capital being foiled. There is intense clashes happening over there. Heavy barricading in the images that are coming out from the Shambhu border. We're also getting to know that farmers have now been tear gassed by the cops. Those are visuals, deferred visuals at the moment, but we'll be getting you the latest ones as well. There are a lot of security personnel, a lot of security presence over there. The demands of the farmers include a waiver of loans, a guarantee of minimum support price. Also, that cases be dropped against those who were involved in the farmer protest back in 2021. Those are some of the key demands being made by the protesting farmers. A Jatha of 101 farmers trying to make its way to the national capital. Those are visuals coming on your screen. Some casualties as well, as we can see in these visuals coming out in this intense clash happening between the protesting farmers and the cops, who are not letting farmers get down to the national capital. Going straight across to Aman Bharadwaj, my colleague, who's joining me for more on this. Aman, tear gas, we're being told, is being used. Water cannons also, as visuals are showing this right now. But tell us, what more are you seeing over there on the ground? Seem to be having some trouble getting across to my colleague Aman, but those are visuals, live visuals in fact, of water cannons being used to foil this attempt, this latest attempt by the farmers to get down to the national capital, to ensure that their demands are heard by the centre. It wasn't too long back, just last week, that we saw there being a massive situation in the national capital. It was on the other side though, that happened close to the Ghazipur border, where multiple farmer organizations had come together and were trying to get down to the national capital. That time too we saw there a coming together of security forces and farmers. It led to multiple snarls. It led to a traffic situation as well, close to the Delhi-Noida border. This time though, across the other border of the city, across the other side of the city, this is the Shambhu border, where which was in fact the hotbed, which was the hotbed back in 2021 when the farmer protests had taken place. We saw this very area where farmers had camped for weeks and weeks, as there was an impasse between the farmers and the central government back then over the farm laws. And yet again, it is the Shambhu border that is in the spotlight once again. I believe Aman is back with us. Aman, we see visuals of water cannons being used. Tell us what more is happening on the ground. Is there a count of casualties? Because we saw some people get hurt over there as well.
And the paper spray that got injured just because of this water cannons and the paper spray that's been used on farmers just to disperse them. See how farmers are still trying to convey that they need to go to Delhi for the agitation, and other side Haryana police and the paramilitary force, which is deployed just to disperse these farmers and not to allow them to pass from here, as section 163 of BNS is being implemented and the internet has been shut. So this is the clash that's going between the farmers and the police and the force that's been deployed here. And you see they have flags of the union in their hand, and they're just trying to convince the police that they need to cross the border, and 2 to 3 farmers that been injured from 101 farmers, that a delegation that was trying to cross the border here at Shambhu, and ambulance being called here. Water services from the farmers union is being given to the farmers that are injured, and also paper chemical spray. The paper spray is being used on the farmers. Water cannon is being used. Tear gas is being fired on the farmers, and you see this is the same place that is being more barricaded than the previous days, and on 6th of December. And you see now also water cannon is being used on the farmers, and you see how police has changed the strategy. Previously on 6th and 8th of the December, they were used to paper spray, tear gas from the upper area of the shed. From standing on the shed, they used to throw that, but now they have established, they've been using the water cannon inside from the shed that's been constructed in last 2 days. And you see, after regular intervals, water cannons and paper spray on the farmer is being used. And you see how farmers are still trying to get on the side of Shambhu and this other side of the bridge. And this is the same bridge on which farmers are agitating from February of this year. And you see now, after regular intervals, the water cannon is being used. And this is a visuals from Shambhu. And it's the third time that 101 farmers are trying to move towards Delhi. And other than this, there's this other agitation going on Khanori border of Sangrur area of Punjab, where Jagjit Singh Daliva, farmer leader, is sitting on fast on to death from last 19 days. And this is the picture that farmers are portraying, that this is a condition that they have 13 demands, and one of the major demand is legalization, a law on MSP, that is a minimum support price for the crops. And for that 13 demands, they are agitating and trying to move towards Delhi. And it's a march by foot that they want to do. And you see, after regular intervals, water cannon is being used by different directions. Inside and upside of the shed, water cannon is being used on the farmers, and police is efforting, force is being efforting to disperse farmers from this Shambhu bridge, and internet is also shut here just because of this agitation. And you see how farmers are getting their clothes wet, and the things they have bought along to move towards Delhi is also getting affected by this action. And you see flags of their unions, different unions of Punjab is taken by them. They have a national flag also. You see national flag of India in their hand, and they are marching towards the barricading side. So these are the visuals, and you see after regular intervals, tear gas is being used, water cannon is being used, and police is trying its best to disperse the farmers from this side. And also farmers are, other than this 101 farmers, there are other farmers, other leaders also. They are providing the first aid to these farmers who got injured. Other side is the visual. You see farmers who got injured. They have been taken into the ambulances. They are taken to the nearby hospitals in Rajpura and Patiala. So these are the going on.